Now here we are going to read a story. Neetu was given a glucose drip. So let's see what is the story about Neetu. You can see in the picture Neetu is there. She is admitted, and here you can see a nurse. So let's see. Neetu was a very sick. Okay, Neetu is not feeling well. She is very sick. All day she was vomiting, and she also have a loose motion. What she is suffering from morning? Vomiting and loose motion. Vomiting and loose motion. That's why she feel weak. She fallen sick. Whatever she ate, she vomited. Means whatever she ate, like juice, then breakfast, lunch, whatever she is taking, she vomited. Her father gave her sugar and salt solution. Sugar and salt solution means, do you know student, when we feel weak, when we feel energyless, that time we are mostly our mother give us solution of salt and sugar. We call as that lemon juice, limbu sharbat. So her father also gave her sugar and salt solution. For this solution, what we need? We need a lime juice, lemon juice, and sugar and salt. Now see, by evening Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. When when she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. Okay, she fainted. चक्कर आ रहा था उसका, because she don't have energy in her body, because she continuously suffering vomiting and loose motion. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said Neetu should get admitted in the hospital. Why? Because she not feeling well, and whatever she is eating, she get vomited. She need to be given a glucose drip. Glucose drip means what? The glucose drip means the solution of sugar and salt. Now hearing this, Neetu got confused. She knew that during the game period in the school, the teacher sometimes give the glucose to drink. But what was the glucose drip? Okay, so she get confused. And she think in school many times her teacher gave the glucose drip to the student in sport, when they are playing a game. When if some student feel weak, that time their teacher give them the drink, glucose drink. And now she is confused, what is this glucose drip, what is my glucose drip? Then doctor auntie explained her, your stomach upset, your body is not keeping any food and water, and it has become a very weak. Okay, your body is not keeping anything, nothing your body is keeping, like food and water, juice, nothing. That's why you are feel weak. So glucose drip will give you some strength quickly, even without eating. Now her body is not responding the food, that's why she feel weak. That's why what doctor said to her, she need to admit it in the hospital, and she will give glucose drip by doctors. Glucose drip means the same solution of sugar and salt. Now I am going to show you the solution of sugar and salt. So here I have a water, then salt and sugar. Now for making a solution of sugar, we need to take 1 tablespoon sugar, and you have to put in the water. Then a pinch of salt, and you have to stir it, you have to mix it well. You can add some lemon juice in this water also. You will whenever you get ill, whenever you feel ill, that time you can use this solution for energy. You can add the lemon juice also. So our sugar and salt solution is ready. So in the did you get this? The what is mean by the glucose drip and sugar and salt solution? It is the same. And when we admitted that time, doctor give us the glucose drip for recover our body, for energy to our, for giving the energy to our body. Now see, talk and discuss. Do you remember that in class 4th we made a solution, sugar and salt? Last year we already done that. We already took that activity of solution of sugar and salt. Neetu father also made this and give her. Why do you think this is given to someone who has vomiting and loose motion? Because in case of vomiting and loose motion, the amount of water, salt and sugar decrease in our body, which can be dangerous. And due to the salt and sugar solution give us an energy. We get energy due to the salt and sugar solution. So now next, how you hear the word glucose or seen it written anywhere, anywhere and where? Okay, you must have seen the glucose box in advertisement in TV, on TV. So, and we also know that the glucose dabba we always see in the advertisement. When we feel weak, we can take that glucose like Glucon-D, named Glucon-D, Glucose D. We can take that and we can recover our body. We get energy due to that glucose. Now see, have you ever tasted glucose? How does it taste? Tell to your friend. Yes, we always taste the Glucose D. It taste is sweet. So write your answer. Have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Tell this about your your classmate. Now see, maybe we have seen glucose drip given by our grandparents because they are old, so their energy is very less and they always feel weak. So mostly we seen this glucose drip given to our grandparents. Now next, Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Because we need lots of energy when we playing something. Okay, so we lost our energy. So due to recover our energy, we should take a glucose D. So whenever we play outdoor games like hockey, cricket, football, we sweat lot, which result in loss of water and salt from our body. And to replenish this loss, we should have to take glucose solution. So did you get this? Okay, that's it. Understood? So in this way, we learn about the glucose drip. Glucose drip means what? Sugar and salt solution.